So hello, period 6. I'm trying something new today where I make videos to guide you on the days that we don't Zoom. I want you guys to still be working, so I thought I would put together a video such as this to kind of tell you just kind of some reminders about what you should be working on, as well as some guidance on the days that we don't have Zoom. So for example, today is Wednesday, September 16th. Um, it's kind of helpful if someone can kind of guide you in the right direction. So the first thing I want to tell you is that you have the whole period to work on your vocabulary sentences that are due by midnight. Um, some of you have already turned this in. Just one of you. Okay. Miss Canelo, if you could work with Mary to um, I think she did her vocabulary test, so maybe grab those flashcards that I made you guys in her folder, and you can test her on those. If she's able to put them in sentences, that's great. If not, let's just try to see if she can memorize the definitions for her test on Friday, because you all have a test on Friday. The first thing you're going to do, Jessica, you need to read God Sees the Truth But Waits, because you haven't been here for a few days. So you need to go on Common Lit and make sure you read that entire story. That is something I'm going to leave for you to do. The rest of us finished the story yesterday. But first and foremost, you guys all need to look at your vocabulary. Your vocabulary words are here for you, and you're going to use this document to put them. You are going to take them, the words, and you are going to. Oh, you know what, Aaliyah? I think we put this on the wrong page, like you were telling me. So all of you guys are going to use these words and make your own sentences. This is due at midnight tonight. Okay? The second thing I want to tell you is that many of the other 10th graders, they all took this quiz. And I am not putting this in the gradebook as a quiz. This is just my way of testing your knowledge right now. We are going to go over all of these answers tomorrow in class on Zoom. But on here, guys, this is already going to be on Google Classroom. I haven't put it on Google Classroom yet. But I want you to go through this very carefully. After you finish your vocabulary, the vocabulary is due today, so that's going to be your first priority. Then you're going to come over here, and I want you to do your very best to answer these questions. These are two sentences where you're going to give me the meaning of the word in your sentence, not the definition, but I should be able to tell that you understand the meaning of the word tremble and the meaning of the word convict. Okay? And there are two race strategy questions. So when you are going to do this, you're not just going to answer the question. You're going to go back to where we learned about here, where you're going to restate the question, answer the question, you're going to pull evidence from the actual story in quotes, and then you're going to explain your evidence. I want you guys to use the race strategy on this for this one and this one. So there's a good chance that if you are doing your vocabulary sentences, you might not even get to this. You might not even get to the race strategy. I am still going to try to push you and see what you can do, because I believe in all of you and I know that you can do your very best. But just remember, when you see something like use the race strategy, you're not just going to answer the question. You have to restate the question, answer the question, provide evidence. So you're going to need to go into Common Lit, or you can pull up, you could PDF it on Google. You could go to not YouTube. I guess you can't really pull evidence from YouTube, but pull evidence to stick here, and then you're going to explain your evidence. How does being falsely accused impact him? And then who did actually murder the merchant? You guys know these answers, but that's not going to be enough. You have to restate the question, answer the question, provide evidence from the story. So you got to go to Common Lit, to your actual Common Lit account, and be able to pull evidence and then explain your evidence. So the other 10th grade teachers are using this as a quiz. I am using this as a teaching tool to kind of move you guys in that direction, but we're going to go at a slower pace, and this will most likely go in as classwork. Okay? So don't let the word quiz worry you. This is something we can all do together. See, Mary and Miss Canelo, you guys may want to try reading her the questions, but I think the vocabulary should probably come first. But we will be going over this in class tomorrow. But I want you to at least try. That is what matters to me, is that you guys are trying. But your vocabulary sentences are due today. I will make them due at midnight, just in case some of you are having trouble with your sentences. But the definition was already provided for you. All you guys have to do is put them into your own sentence with the word in the sentence. Make sure you highlight the vocabulary word red. Okay? So that is our introduction video for today. I will still be available. I'm still here. We're not going to Zoom until tomorrow. So I hope that was helpful. Vocabulary sentences, and then I'm going to post your quiz. I want you guys to try your very best. And I will see you on Zoom on Thursday. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.